It's Mike, back again. I got my hands on one of these Amazon smart plugs. And one thing I remember from the demo that they showed, this was super quick and easy to pair. So I have my trusty iPad here to keep the time. And I'm going to see how long it takes to unbox this and get it set up. And then we're going to do a little test with it to make sure that it works. So I'm not going to stop the timer until after we do the test. I'm going to go ahead and start this now. Alright. So we got this protective plastic. It's trying to fight me. Fight me! Alright, got it out of the box. Well, I got it out of the protective plastic. It's got a little zippy thing up here. Bam. I'm going to rip that off. Come on, how far? How much time? 15, 16 seconds. Come on. Okay. So luckily they put this right at the top. Right at the tippy top here. Boom. We'll pull that out. Alright, it's got a little protective plastic over it. Boom, boom, boom. Rip this plastic off. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. Okay. Plastic is ripped off. Alright, I need the instructions. Alright, set up your smart plug. Blah, 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 I don't care. Alright, it's got the latest one. How do you set it up? How do you set it up? Oh my gosh. Oh god, I thought you could just set this up by voice. No, I gotta do stuff in the app. I'm already a minute and a half in. Alright, plug is unboxed. These are the instructions. We got a QR code you can scan to set it up. I'll plug this in. Boom. Okay, I gotta get my phone really quick. Shouldn't count against the time. It shouldn't. Alright. I am back with my phone. Okay. Back with my phone. We're gonna go and pull up the Alexa app. It's already up there and ready. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to name this because it's going to be my fan, Michael's fan. Done. The plug is off. Okay, we're at 2 minutes and 40 seconds. He's going to test it. We're good. So I got my trusty, non-dusty fan here. Alright, come on. Come on! Let's plug this in. Alexa, turn on Michael's fan. Oh, it would help if the fan was actually on. Bam. Stop. At 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Alexa, turn off Michael's fan. Bam. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. I stopped it after the fan turned on, even though I didn't have the switch on, but that's a whole different thing. So it was pretty easy to get in there and rename it. I have a TP-Link plug, and then I have another one. I can't remember what the brand is now. But this was definitely the easiest to set up. There's really no hassle, aside from me running around like an idiot, because I thought you could just set it up with your voice. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned because tomorrow I'll be back with the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show. I should be getting it tomorrow, day one. So I'm going to make sure I get that video up tomorrow night after I get off work, after I record it and edit it. It's going to happen. And as always, remember to do at least 2 things at the same time. Subscribe to my channel to stay up with the latest in Mike Takes It Outland. Peace.